Understanding user feedback, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore an important term used in the digital world, user feedback. This phrase is common in technology, business, and everyday online interactions. Let's dive in to understand what it means and how it's used. User feedback refers to the information, opinions, or reactions provided by users about a product, service, or experience. It's a way for users to express what they like, dislike, or wish to see improved. Feedback can be given through various forms like surveys, reviews, comments, or direct messages. User feedback is crucial because it helps businesses and developers understand the needs and preferences of their audience. It's a tool for continuous improvement, guiding changes and updates to products or services. Feedback ensures that user experiences are central in the development process. Let's look at some examples. 1. Online reviews. When you rate a product on an e-commerce website. 2. Surveys. Forms asking for your opinion after using a service. 3. Comments. Writing a comment on a social media post or a blog. 4. Usability testing. Participating in testing a new app or website to give live feedback. Responding to user feedback is as important as receiving it. Companies often reply to user comments or reviews, thanking them for their input and discussing any actions taken. This interaction builds trust and shows that user opinions are valued. We hope this video has helped you understand the concept of user feedback. It's a powerful tool in the digital age, shaping how products and services evolve. Remember, your opinion as a user is important and can lead to significant improvements. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next English learning session.